Today on the 9th of December 2019, you have gathered here in New Delhi, especially for in demand for the Bodoland and the Vidarbha state. We want the Modi government in the center to create a separate state of Bodoland and a Vidarbha state, but before getting the Maharashtra and the state of Assam. It's a promise made by the Modi government on 2014, and he has yet to keep up the commitment. So, demanding a state of Bodoland, but before getting the state of Assam into 50-50, we demand the government of India, which have a complete majority in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, that Bodoland should be created for peace, for development, and for the harmony of the state of Assam. So, without any delay, we appeal and we urge that the state of Bodoland and the state of Vidarbha should be created. That's why we are here in the Constitutional Club, in the Jantar-Mantar, with this Dharna program, and we feel that Bodoland is the only solution for a lasting peace in the state of Assam. We are the sons of the soils, and the sons of soils have the due constitutional obligation from the part of the government that since independence we have been demanding, and yet it has to be fulfilled. The Bodoland, which is a must for the Plains tribe of Assam and in the North Bank, it should be created, and without any hesitation, with an absolute majority in the parliament, both of the houses, the government should heed our call and create Bodoland within 2020 of the March, and before BTC election. That is what we want to say. We and the People Joint Action Committee for Bodoland Movement, a conglomerate comprising more than 56 organizations, we have a full support. And the people who had been residing for the ages with the Bodoland people have full support that Bodoland is a must. And as in people of the Bodoland, we want that the state of Bodoland and a state new should be created. That should be the 30th state of the Indian Union. So thank you.